Hi, I am Dev Mehta. He is Havesh Mani. He is Neha Mehta. He is going to introduce about the project we are doing. Hello guys, these are the designs or models for a wallet for a single-handed person. Now Neha will explain all the problems which are faced by users.
Problems faced by the user are first problem is that he is single-handed. Second problem is that he faces difficulty in taking out the cards as well as the coins. Now the third problem is how to hold the cash in the same hand as the wallet and how to hold two or more things at the same time in one hand. The first idea is we have wallet. We have three sections in it. We press the button. The three sections pop out. The first section is especially for the cards. We have given buttons on this section. This is the section for the spring. When the user presses the first button, the card in the first slot comes out. The same process goes on to the second and third and fourth buttons. Now the second slot is for the notes. He has to just swipe up and take out the notes by himself. The third slot is for coins. He has to push the button and swipe the button out so the coin falls right into his hand. Now the pros for this wallet are its size is less, means it is very small in size, but the cons are its thickness is huge and it has too many mechanical parts like the spring one, so we ruled out this possibility. Thank you.
For a wallet for a single-handed person. It is basically a calendar-shaped wallet, or maybe you can call it calendar style. So it is the simplest and most handy model of a wallet. You have to basically flip over the compartments whichever you need, according to whichever you want to take it out, cards, notes, or coins, or pics, or whatever you have. So basically, it will just you need just hold in hand, flip it over the compartments. If you want to swipe out, then there's a hollow space provided over it. If you have just a card in it, you just need to swipe it over, so you can just remove it with mouse or etc. Similarly, for notes, I have compartments divided in two. For a single leaf, or you can call it for a single compartment, it is divided into 10 rupee note or 20 rupees note. So if you want to remove the 20 rupee notes, you just need to swipe out the 20 rupee note right this way, and it will come out. So for coins, it has a magnet lock on it. So both the compartments will be locked through magnet, and to open it, you just need to push it the horizontal way, so it will open up. So you can put in coins, and you need to if you have to take out the coins, the coins will be stored on a rack. So if you just need to slide it over, and the coins will come out just as a dispenser. So this is the way how this works, and benefits of it are it is the simplest and the handiest model of a wallet, and the disadvantages which found we are if he is in a hurry, so he cannot put all the notes in the according to the compartments made. If you want to put a 500 rupees notes, I need to find out which compartment it is the slot is available in that. So you just need to he can't make it in time. He can't make it in time if he's in hurry. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, I am Dev Mehta. This is a final design. We really didn't wanted to use any future tech, so we made it simple. It is like a normal wallet which we use. It opens more than once. It doesn't open like this once. It opens like this second time also. Then we have this here. We have notes, both the sides will first open. Then all the note compartments have three interleaves or other three compartments inside on both the sides. The notes are removed by the mouth of the person, and he has notches to help him, or if he can, then he can remove them by hand also. Then for the cards, we have this place in the side, small place. There also there are notches. He can remove them and insert them. There are two cards, both of them, here two, here two. Then for the coins, he inserts over here. There is on this pathway for the coins. He inserts here. The insert has a lock-like thing, which you just insert. You can't remove from here. Then from here there is something to remove. There is a button like which you can slide to remove coin. Now the wonderful thing about this is you can remove a coin or a card when the wallet is totally closed. You can close it once, twice, and it looks like this. From here you can insert a coin and remove a coin or remove a card from here where it is totally closed. Rest, the sizes are kept in mind. The notes and all the sizes are made to make it minimum, and the thin, it is made thin of a thin plastic or polymer type, so it's very portable in size. Thank you.